Welcome to the second part where I teach how to make this T-Rex inspired by Rex from Toy Story. If you haven't seen the first video yet, check the description below. I will share the link there. I already advanced it on the tile. If you made it to this part of the video, you already know how to start with a magic ring, how to work in a spiral, and how to work basic rounds of just stitches or stitches and increases. For that reason, I think it is better to just share the instruction from round 1 to 31. Then just stop the video. Then let's continue with round 32. Starting with 10 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. After 10 single crochet, let's make 22 half double crochet. 1, 2, and just continue doing half double crochet until you are 22. Just 22 half double crochet. And then let's finish this round with 10 single crochet. Just continue doing single crochet until finish this round. And we will repeat exactly the same on rounds 33 and 34. Starting with 10 single crochet, then 22 half double crochet, and 10 single crochet more. I'm already finished the 3 rounds. Then now let's continue with round 35. Starting with 6 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1 increase. We will continue repeating 6 single crochet and 1 increase all round. Then we will finish this round with 48 stitches. From round 36 to 46, let's make 48 single crochet in each round. Just make 1 single crochet in each one on the previous round from round 36 to 46. I'm already finished the round 46, then 47, 6 single crochet on the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then 1 decrease. Continue repeating exactly the same all round. From round 48 to 50, let's make 42 single crochet in each round. Just continue doing single crochet until finish this round and make the same until round 50. After round 50, I put stuffing. Enough stuffing to get the best form on this amigurumi, but this amigurumi is for my little daughter. Then I'm pretty sure she wanna live with him. Then I will not put too much stuffing, but however you prefer will be okay. Remember, it's your amigurumi or depend for which one will be. Then now we can continue with round 51. Starting with 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then 1 decrease. And just continue repeating exactly the same all round. For round 52, I will share exactly the stitches that I made, but it's very important because we not crochet exactly the same. Then I want you put pins, you make like this, leaving the half double crochet on the front, and put 1 pin in each side. And that would help you to get the best form on this body, okay? Because maybe you made a single crochet in a form of V and the result is different. And just make sure about this, that is the most important thing. Again, I will share exactly the stitches that I made. Maybe works with you, you can try, but if not, it's better if you put pins like me. I will start with 13 single crochet and I will finish with 5 single crochet. But if you, for example, starting with 12 or 11, you will finish different. And that is okay. Okay? The most important thing is all the half double crochet that we made will be on the same side of the body. Then 13 single crochet on the beginning. Until the pin. The single crochet number 13 is on the pins, and then 18 half double crochet. 1, 2, and just continue doing half double crochet until the pin. On my case, 18 half double crochet will be enough. This is the number 18. Take off the pin. And then 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's it. On round 53, starting with 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then 1 decrease. And just continue repeating exactly the same all around. 4 single crochet and 1 decrease. I put more stuffing. Remember, you can put the stuffing in the best time for you, okay? You can put it later or now. And I will not put wire on this amigurumi because it's for my daughter, okay? But if you want to put wire, you can move later. You can move more the tile and the head. You can put wire, okay? But depend of the material you use. With this chenille, you can see I put it up and keep like that. But again, use wire is up to you. Then now let's continue, and on the next round, on round 54, we need to make exactly the same. Put pin in both sides. Or if the first round, the round 52 that we made with half double crochet works with you, then you can make exactly the same stitches like me, and you don't need put pins, okay? But all the time I put first the pins and later know how many stitches I need, how many single crochet and how many half double crochet. Then I recommend that you put stuffing on the side first and later on the center. It's some tip. Then let's continue round 54. On my case, starting with 12 single crochet until the pin. 1, 2, and just continue doing single crochet until the pin, on my case 12. And then 15 half double crochet. 1, 2, and just continue doing half double crochet until the pin, on my case 15. And then this is the number 15. Finish with 3 single crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Then let's repeat exactly the same on the next round, on round 55. It's 2 rounds like this. On round 56, starting with 3 single crochet. 1, 2, and 3, then 1 decrease. And repeat exactly the same all around. 3 single crochet and 1 decrease. From round 57 to 60, first again, it's up to you. You can put pins or just continue like me. Again, I put the pins, and then I will start with 10 single crochet. One, two, and just continue until you are 10 or enough until the pin. And then 12 half double crochet. Oh, sorry, this is the number 10, the single crochet number 10. Then now 12 half double crochet. 1, 2, and just continue until you are 12. And then let's finish with 2 single crochet. This is the half double crochet number 12, and then 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and I will continue repeating exactly the same on round 58, 59, and 60. When you finish the round 60, you can cut a yarn, leaving enough to make the union later with the head. But something important. Depend what position you prefer for your T-Rex. If you think for the position you need more rounds like this, you can make more, okay? If you want it like this on this position, you need make more rounds like this, about 2 or 3 more, okay? Exactly the same. And then you will get the neck like this. But I like it on this position. I'm sorry, this one. Then if you put it like this, you can see the neck is like that. But if you put it different the body later with the legs, then you need more rounds. I'm sorry if I think maybe you can understand me, but if you have any questions, you can ask me on the comment and I will answer you and help you as soon as possible. Okay? But like this is perfect. I'm just want to explain for you understand the process. But like this is perfect. Then now let's make the detail for the belly. And let's use another green, the light one. And on round 1, let's start with a magic green. And 3 single crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And you can close the magic green. On round 2 and on the next rounds, every time you will start with 1 chain, you will turn the piece, and we will work taking the back loops only. Then on round 2, 3 single crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Round 3, 1 chain, turn, 1 increase on the beginning, 1 single crochet, and another increase at the end. Round 4, 1 chain, turn, 5 single crochet. Every time remember taking the back loops only. Then just make 5 single crochet. On round 5, 1 chain, turn, starting with 1 increase, 3 single crochet, 1, 2, and 3, and then another increase. Round 6, 1 chain, turn, and then 7 single crochet without increase, just 7 single crochet. On round 7, 1 chain, turn, 1 increase, 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then another increase at the end. Round 8, 1 chain, turn, 1 increase on the beginning, 7 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and then another increase at the end. Round 9, 1 chain, turn, increase on the beginning, then 9 single crochet, and 1 increase at the end. Round 10, 1 chain, turn, 1 increase on the beginning, 11 single crochet, and another increase at the end. From round 11 to 24, 1 chain, turn, and then 15 single crochet. From round 11 to 24, 1 chain on the beginning, turn the piece, and then 15 single crochet in each round. I'm already finished round 24. Then round 25, 1 chain, turn, and let's start with 1 decrease. Insert the hook, take the loop, insert on the next stitch, get the loop, and close together. This is the decrease. And then 11 single crochet, 1, 2, and just continue until you are 11. After 11 single crochet, another decrease at the end. Round 26, 1 chain, turn, 13 single crochet without decrease. Just make 13 single crochet. Round 27, 1 chain, turn, starting with 1 decrease. After that, 9 single crochet, 1, 2, just continue until you are 9 single crochet, and let's finish with 1 decrease. Round 24, 1 chain, turn, 11 single crochet without decrease. Round 29, 1 chain, turn, starting with 1 decrease, 7 single crochet, just made 7 single crochet, and another decrease at the end. Round 30, 1 chain, turn, 9 single crochet, just 9 single crochet. Round 31, 1 chain, turn, starting with 1 decrease. After that, 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then 1 decrease at the end. And then 3 rounds, round 32, 33, and 34 with 1 chain on the beginning, turn the piece, and 7 single crochet. From round 32 to 34. And then when you finish, just cut the thread, leaving enough to make the union later with the body. Make 1 chain just to secure. And that's it. We already finished this piece. And in the next video tutorial, I will teach you how to make the head with all the details. See you there. Bye!